Muhurta Matrimony. No registration charges and no premium packages. Select profiles you like and just pay 25 rupees per profile. Download Muhurta Matrimony from the Play Store.
Prime Minister Modi began his three-city vaccine tour with a visit to pharma major Zydus Cadilah's plant in Gujarat. Wearing a PPE kit, Prime Minister Modi reviewed the vaccine development process at the Zydus Cadilah Research Centre in Changodar industrial area over 20 kilometers from Ahmedabad. From Ahmedabad, Prime Minister will fly to Hyderabad and visit Bharat Biotech, which is developing the indigenous Covaxin. And finally, he will be at Pune's Serum Institute, which has partnered with Oxford and AstraZeneca. A large number of farmers are still camping around the Delhi border despite a ground being allocated to them in the capital's outskirts to hold their protest against the farm laws that they want repealed. The protesters say they have enough essentials to continue their protests for up to 6 months. At least 3 highways that lead to Delhi remain blocked amid the protests. Uttar Pradesh Governor Anandiben Patel gave assent to an ordinance against forcible or dishonest religious conversions. The Uttar Pradesh Prohibition of Unlawful Conversion of Religion Ordinance 2020 has been issued with the approval of the governor. The state cabinet, presided over by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, had earlier this week approved the draft ordinance to curb forcible or dishonest religious conversions, including those for the sake of marriage. The voting percentage in the District Development Council elections across all Jammu and Kashmir districts was 22.12% till 11 am. Voting was reportedly brisk in Jammu and was expected to pick up in Kashmir later. For the first time after the abrogation of Article 370 and the reorganization of erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir, the Union Territory is voting in a major election this Saturday. The election will be held in 8 phases starting from today. It will go on till December the 19th. The CBI today raided around 40 premises across 3 states, including 25 in West Bengal, as part of an investigation into a coal mafia case. It is in West Bengal that Anup Majhi, the alleged kingpin of the illegal operation, is based. The home and offices of the suspect, who lives in Asansol, are being searched along with those of his associates. Raids are also on or may begin shortly in Jharkhand and in Bihar.